Today we're going to see what it looks like when you create a vendor in Ramp and it syncs over to Sage 100 via the Anywhere Apps integration. Let's go ahead and get started. So here in Ramp, we're going to create a new vendor. We're going to start by inputting the name of this new vendor. We're going to call it GA Test Vendor and click on Create. Here, you need to make sure to insert the state as that is required. And we're also going to want to put in the vendor contact information. Make sure you put in the email as that is also a requirement. We're going to go ahead and skip payment and tax details for the purpose of this demo and create the vendor. Once the vendor's been created in Ramp, we'll go over to Sage 100. And in accounts payable, we'll go to vendor maintenance. Here, we're going to look for the vendor. Currently, you see that they are not here. So we're going to do the Ramp sync. Now, this is something that we triggered manually, but when it's in your environment, this will trigger automatically on a scheduled basis. And the manual sync will be here just in case it is needed for something that needs to be synced right away. Once the sync has been completed, we're going to go back into our vendors and search via the name. We're going to look for GA. There it is. GA Test Vendor. Shows the email address that we put in Ramp and the state that we picked as well. Thank you so much for watching.